Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just walked inside of the 99-cent store. As you can see, I'm still standing right at the door, but when I came in I saw these cactus, and what I can say is I think they used to all be 99 cents, but right now they're $2.99. They do have these money tree plants. These down here say $1.99 and those at the bottom are 99. So the cactus are $2.99. Okay, what is this price? Oh, $4.99. Okay, I was about to say, I know this is not 99 cents, but they have this giant box, 60 bars, chocolate lovers. Look at that. Not bad, but I don't need any of those. Oh, look, they got these giant jars of Prego for $2.99. That's not bad. And the Mama Mary's 2 crust for $1.99. Okay, over here it looks like they put out some different little makeup brushes. This is a 12-piece makeup brush set for $2.99 by Face One, and then they put out more of these. I showed you these. Did I show you guys these in a video or on Instagram? I can't remember, but they do have the Face One mermaid brushes that look like it has glitter in them and they're clear. And let's see, they have the powder brush, contour, eyeshadow, brow brush, and I think that's about it. Oh, there's a lip brush. They're really cute, but I don't need any, but I do like the way they look. They have the little tail at the bottom. Okay, they're bringing out their acrylic storage organizers. These are $1.99. They always have these, but they're a really good deal. This one is a little different than that one up there. This one is a little bigger, as you can see. And this one is $2.99, and it says it has 11 slots. So, and it has like that little design around it. That's kind of cute. And then these, like I always tell you guys, are my favorite. These are really heavy duty clear organizers for $3.99. They come with 2 drawers. If you pay attention in my background on my video when I'm usually recording, I have these stacked on top of each other, and I use them for like my highlighters, eyebrow stuff, like all that other stuff. But yeah, these are really good. Oh, look at this. They have a Face One Tropical Dream eyeshadow and blush palette. The colors look pretty nice. I don't know about the quality of it, but it is $2.99. I also see this one, it says Glamour. So that one was Tropical Dream. This one is Glamour. And they're all the same price. And they also have these contour palettes for $2.99 by Basic Beauty. Okay, it looks like they put out some new smoke and mirrors. I swear they put this stuff out like every couple months. Here's a velvet matte lip gloss, and it's probably the same product, just different packaging. I'm not too sure. But I ain't gonna lie, this packaging is selling me. Like, it's getting me. Like, should I get some? No, and I don't need any of this. Okay, so I see a few different colors. That one says Stone. That one back there says Trendsetter. Kind of looks like the same colors. Then I see an Angled Cat eyeliner. Angled Cat, Angled Cat. Okay, Complete Coverage concealer down here. Dual ended eyeliner pencil. Extreme Long Lash mascara. Here's a lip topper. Long lasting results. Hint of shimmer. Create your own look. So they have some of those. Here's an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. This one is called Obsession. And then I seen this one up here that's called Love Nude. And I also see this Stay in Place brow gel and Illuminizing Glow Drop in the color Moonlight. I wonder how this would be. Oh, look at these cute little bags. Look at that. Cute little coin bags. They have all kinds. Look at him. Oh my goodness. He's like a hippie. He got the one little braid with some beads on it. The watermelon. There is a sloth. Oh, she looks sad. But you got her. You got all different kinds. That one. Little mermaid ones. In different colors. Alpaca. That's cute. Okay. Oh, look at this. A fruit purse. The cute little strawberry. Here's a pineapple and watermelon. Okay, what did I just spot over here? Look at these for $4.99. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I will say this is really pretty. It has the mirror right there. You can see. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. It says glass tray for $5. Do I need this? Don't I always ask you guys that? Do I need this? I don't. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna think about it as I walk around, but that is really pretty. Oh look, they got some cute little bags. Okay, but first tacos. That's cute. It says BPA free, $3.99. Bows are my superpower. I knew that was JoJo Siwa. I seen her name on it. And then they have the Justice League as well. Oh, this is cute. $3.99. I'll think about this one too, because Pooh Bear can take this to school when he goes to kindergarten. Okay, they still have the 3-pack of rectangular bacon trays that I showed you in my last video for $7.99. The 3-layer square cake platter. And these, I remember showing you guys those. And how much were they? $2.99. And they do have different colors. But also now today I see this shape, which is cute. $2.99. And they all come in those same kind of colors right there. And I saw this one. Let me grab this one. Oh, that's cool. $2.99. Okay, I've never seen these before, and I think they're okay. This one doesn't have the hooks in it. It is a little stand. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. But this one, behind all this stuff, has hooks. So you can use that for like your necklaces or bracelets or whatever you want. That's cute. Shine bright like a diamond. And it also has the stand on it like that. Okay, I don't normally look at the bags, but this one just caught my attention. I think that is super cute. Look at that, and it actually says Chanel on the lipsticks. Look at that. Is it both sides? Yep, on both sides. I like that. And the middle is red. That is super cute. Home Sweet Home. Looks like that. It's only on one side. Mi casa es su casa. That one is cute. And Good Morning. I like how the stars are at the bottom with a little bit of like a like somebody just took the paintbrush and said, that's it. That's cute. They have some of the egg storage with lids, and it holds 12 eggs. It says BPA free. Oh, okay. So the last time we looked at this, the $4.99 portable grill, somebody actually took one out. So this is what it would look like. That's not too bad for $4.99 to take to the beach or the park. Put a couple burgers, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 burgers, some shrimp, some kebabs or something. That is not bad for $4.99. Oh, look at these new cups. That's cute. It's plastic. I don't really like the top. I don't know. It looks like a top from like McDonald's or something. It is a little bit thicker, but that's what that one looks like. You got this one with the cross. Farm fresh, 100% fresh organic products, and this super cute panda. Both sides. They always have the cutest sponges. Look at that one. Oh, and you can pop those middle pieces out. So this is like a orange or a tangerine. I'm not sure. It looks like a peach. I think it looks like a peach because this one looks like an orange. Look at that, an avocado. Does that come out? No, that middle piece doesn't come out, but this one does. And back there, I do see a strawberry. And then look at this by Mainstays, which would usually be sold at Walmart. It's $12.99 here, and it's a 36 over-the-door shoe rack, customizable shoe rack. Oh goodness, what are these? I just saw these keychains. Look at his face. That one, oh, this is cute. Look at the sloth. And I know there has to be a llama. I knew it. They still have a lot of the Disney lip gloss. And like I said, these were originally at Walmart. Okay, everybody, I am done in the 99-cent store. This is the Candy Owl, but they tend to put a lot of their toys down this row right here. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye.